how far? Where we dey go now? Hope say nobody know where we dey go.
No,
say you
no,
follow.
no, I didn't.
Sharp. So when we dey reach that side, based on what I told you, just make sure. Johnson, say
Yes.
I use myself here. Just park here. I use myself.
Okay, you want to use yourself?
Sure.
Alright, no problem. Let me park well.
Just. How about dey clear?
Alright, no problem. It's okay.
Just see, man, come out. Una boss na. Una boss.
Say to you.
May you run my balance so.
boss will say.
Una enter me.
Alhaji, your goods are ready. Wait for the arrival of the organs. Beef! Get me the boy at the cold room right now.
Please.
Shut up! Waste two of them. I don't want to see them right now, please. But fast about that.
If any amount I will pay.
I said shut up. Winston, take them out. Make sure you bring all their intestine and organs to me right now. Don't waste time.
Please. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me. Any amount I will pay.
Wait.
I'll pay, please.
Where did you people brought this bad luck and misfortune?
No,
I'm
boss.
innocent.
No.
Shut up!
What do you mean?
How can you bring someone that would terminate my job to this confraternity? Are you okay?
What do you mean, boss? What do you mean?
I did not do
Listen,
anything. I'm innocent.
This is a bad blood. This is a bad blood. Shut up!
Sorry, sir.
If we dare to touch this soul, our work is gone. No. Take him out to wherever you brought him.
Oh, please.
Take him out! I don't want to see him here. Take him out!
Please.
This is a bad blood. This is a bad blood. I don't want to see him here. And be careful whenever you are bringing anybody to this confraternity. This will be my last warning to you.
I'm sorry, but I don't mean to bring such a thing.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry. Don't worry. We have already reported to the police. We go and pick up. That's what we do. We just go and pick him up now.
Just thank God.
We will not do as if we know that you are back.
But he will rest first, though.
No, he's not going with us now. We need to go and pick him up.
It was God, though. I just want to tell every man
I'm sorry.
in a family, whenever you are in a
okay.
family, if you're living, make sure you tell your wife where you're going to, or you tell somebody where you're going to, because all this kind of thing, it might risk your life. Someday.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It's just a
sorry.
lesson. It's okay.
Every time.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh, thank God, oh, thank God.
I can't believe this.
So this is how I would have been a widow. God forbid. It's not my
That's
portion.
Ofo that used
Sorry,
every
oh.
time, two of them, every place.
You'll be
That same
fine.
Ofo.
You'll be fine. Oh,
Ah.
I'm doing it.